Hi friends, welcome to Simplifying Maths.
This topic is Vedic Maths multiplications. So in last videos we have saw Vedic Maths in additions and subtractions. Now we are moving on to multiplications. In this multiplications also we are going to do different types of multiplications like 2 digit into 2 digit, 3 digit into 3 digit multiplications. Now first we are going to do single digit multiplier. First we are going to do multiplication in single digit. Multiplication in single digit, the method we are going to use to solve these multiplications is balancing method. Multiplication by single digit is balancing method. We are going to use balancing method. In this multiplications also, we are going to do in a stepwise manner with an example. So here I have taken an example, that is 234 into 5. First let me start with a simple example, that is 234 into 5. So the step 1, we are going to do stepwise manner. So the step 1 is, first step is, in this method, listen carefully, in this method each and every digit of the number is separately multiplied by the multiplier digit. So what it is saying is, this is multiplier. This multiplier should be multiplied separately with the each digit. So here I have almost 3 digits. So this 5 should be multiplied with the all 3 digits individually. So let me multiply all 3 digits individually. That is 5 fours 20. First digit 5 fours 20. And next place a dash. This is a dash. I'll tell you why we are placing a dash is for making our calculation easier, because this dash is needed for step 2. So we are placing a dash before the number to make the calculation easier. So this is not minus, this is a dash. This is not minus. We are not going to subtract anywhere. In multiplications we are going to just multiply and add them. We are not going to do any subtractions. Next, the next number is 5 threes. 5 threes is 15. Next, place a dash before 15. Next, 5 twos, that is 10. That's it. We have multiplied 5 with all 3 digits we have. So we have got the numbers 10, 15 and 20 separately. Next, step 2. Let us see what is step 2. We have to balance each other. The step 2 is balance each other. That means we are just going to add them all. That too we are not going to easily add them, but we have to take few numbers out and add others. So like in the rightmost number we are going to write as it is. That will be the units place. And next numbers we are going to add them, and again after we are adding the numbers we will write as it is, and we leave the leftmost number. So let us see this in our example. So we have got 10, 15 and 20. So we said that rightmost number should be left. So 20 should be left. That in the 20, the first digit should be left. That is 0. 0 should be left, and that will be the unit digit. That will be the ones place of the answer. Next, we have to add other numbers. That means we have to add other numbers in the sense we have to add them in the pairs like this. The numbers which comes after, like I have got 2 and 5 after, so I have to add just 2 and 5. Then I'll get 7. Leave these both the numbers. Next, go to the next set of pair, that is 0 and 1. So add them both. Then I'll get 0 plus 1 is 1. So just 1 I'll get. And next I have the one number left over here. That is the leftmost number. We know that we have to leave the leftmost number and rightmost number. So I am going to write the leftmost number as it is. That will be 1 here. So the answer we get for multiplying 234 into 5, 234 into 5 is 1170. So this is our answer. So I have further multiplications. Let us calculate few more multiplications which have more than 3 digits. With this we will see the multiplications. The more multiplications we solve, the more easy this process will be. So the next step is, that means our next example is 2168 into 6. So this is our next example. This also I am going to explain in stepwise manner. So the first step here is we have to multiply the multiplier with the all 4 digits here. So here I have got 4 digits, so I have to multiply this single multiplier with all 4 digits. And remember, we have to place a dash for the multiplications. We have to place a dash. So here I have 6 eighths. First digit I am multiplying. 6 eighths is 48. Yeah, first number I have got, place a dash before it. I am telling you, we are placing a dash for making our additions easy. Next, 6 sixes, 36. Place a dash before 36. Next, 616. Do you know that in the case we have got 6 into 1, we have got 6. In this case, what we have to do is, we should not write 6 as it is. We have to place a before 6. We have to place a 0 before 6. Because this makes our calculation correct and multiplication easy way. We have to place a 0 before 6. Any single digit number, if you get, you have to place a 0 before it. So here I have got single digit, that is 6, number 6. I am going to place a 0 before it. That will be 0, 6. 0, 6 and 6 both are same numbers. Next, 6 2's 12. See, I have multiplied this 6 with all 4 digits, that is 6 into 8, 6 into 6, 6 into 1 and 6 into 2. So I have got the numbers over here. Next, step 2. What we have to do? We have to take the units place. We have to leave the leftmost number, rightmost number, and add all other numbers. So first, leftmost number I am going to leave, rightmost number, that is 8. I am going to leave the rightmost number 8. So that will be my units place for the answer. Next, we are going to add other numbers. That is in a pairs, like 2 numbers we are going to add, not all the numbers. So here I have 6 and 4 as a pair. I am going to add this pair. 6 and 4 if I add, I'll get 10. So we have to place a 0 over here and give a carry on to the next number. When we got 2 digit number, we'll do in additions, same thing we are doing here. That is, just place a 0 over here and give a carry on, that is 1, to the next number, that is next pair. So here the next pair I have is 6 and 3. 6 and 3 I'm giving carry on as 1. So what you have to do is 6 plus 3 you have to add first. 6 plus 3 I'll get 9. This 9 I'm going to add with the carry on, that is 1. So this carry on, if I'm adding 9 plus 1, then I'll get 10 again. So what we have to do, place a 0 over here and give 1 carry on to the next digit. So the next pair here I have is 2 and 0. So what we have to do, first add the pair, that is 2 plus 0, I get 2 itself, and add the carry on, that is 2 plus 1, that will be 3. So here I have got all other digits. So the leftmost extreme, what we have to do, just take as it is, that will be 1 as it is. So the answer for 2168 into 6 is 13008. So this is our answer for the multiplications 2168 into 6. So let us see a big multiplication in the next example. So the next example here I have is 3360384. Oh, it has 7 digits. So we are going to multiply this 3 with all 7 digits in a stepwise manner. Step 1. Multiply this 3 with all 7 digits individually and place a dash between 2 numbers. That means multiplication digits like this. So let us start multiplying. That is 3 fours, 12. Place a dash before 12 for making our next step easy. 3 eights, 24. Next number is 24. Next, place a dash before 24. 3 threes, 9. See, I have got a single digit. What I have to do? I have to place a 0 before the single digit. That is 9. So it will become 0, 9. Next, 3 zeros. When I multiply any number with 0, I will get 0. So 3 zeros is 0. See, even though I get 0, I have to write it as 0 and 0. It should be. Write it as 0 and 0. It must be and should be write it as 0 and 0. Next number. After 0, we have 6. So 6 threes, 18. Next, 3 threes, 9. Next, 3 threes, again 9. So I have got the multiplication. Step 2. We are going to find the answer. We are going to find the answer. What we have to do is leave the right extreme number as it is, and that will be our units place for the answer. So the right extreme number here is 2. We are not going to take the whole digit because we are going to add each and every single digit. We are not going to take the full number like 24, 18 or 12. We are going to take the single number. So first write the units place, that is 2. And next add all the numbers, that is 4 and 1. 4 plus 1, it's 5. So we have got the tens place also. Next 2 pair is 9 and 2. 9 plus 2, we will get 11. So if we are getting 2 digits, we have to write 1 here and give the carrier to the next pair. So the next pair here we have is 0 and 0. So 0 plus 0 is 1. So we have a carrier over here, that is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. So the carrier, if we add, the answer will be 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Next pair here we have is 8 and 0. So let me add 8 and 0. When I add 8 and 0, I get 8 itself. So I just write 8. Next pair, 9 and 1. We have 9 and 1. So 9 plus 1 will get 10. So we write 1 digit over here and give carrier to the next pair. So the next pair here is 9 and 0. So 9 plus 0 is 9. When I add the carrier, I will get 10. So you have to write 0 here and give carrier to the next number. See, we didn't have a pair next time. So we have just got a single digit, that is 0. And we have got a carrier as 1. So what you have to do is at the times, you have to add the single digit and the carrier. That will be, the single digit here is 0 and the carrier here is 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1 itself. So the answer we get for multiplication 3360384 into 3 is 100,81152. This is the answer. With this, we have completed our first step of multiplications, that is multiplications in balancing method by single digit. In further videos, we will see some complicated multiplications like 2 digit into 2 digit with various methods. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.